Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check all subscriptions on your card. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so to view all subscriptions linked to your credit card or debit card, you can follow these steps. So from here, step number one, check your bank statement. So review your recent bank or credit card statements for recurring charges. Most statements will list transactions and you can identify subscription services by their name. Number two here, bank or card issuer app. So you can log into your online banking or credit card issuer's mobile app. Look for a section that shows recurring transactions or subscriptions. Some apps have a feature that highlight recurring payments, which is super handy if you want to see what's coming and going and what you subscribe to. Step number three, if you can't find it, you can always contact your bank. So if you're unable to find all subscription using the above method, you can contact your bank or credit card issuer. They might be able to provide a detailed list of recurring transactions associated with your card. And number four here, use subscription management services. So consider using a subscription management services or apps like Truebill or Trim. These services can help track and manage your subscriptions by scanning your account for recurring charges.